Relative ranks looks like it needs a naive big O of n squared, quadratic time scan, but there's a sorting trick that drops the runtime to big O of n log n, linear arithmetic time. You receive an integer array called score where each element is a unique athlete's score. The task is to return an array of strings representing each athlete's rank. The highest score gets gold medal, the second gets silver medal, the third gets bronze medal, and everyone else gets their numeric rank as a string. For example, with scores 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 the output is gold medal, silver medal, bronze medal, 4, 5. The straightforward way is to compare each score against every other score, counting how many are larger to determine its rank. That double loop gives big O of n squared, quadratic time and big O of n extra space for the result array, which becomes too slow once the input size grows beyond a few thousand. The key insight is to sort the indices of the array by their corresponding scores in descending order, then walk the sorted indices once to hand out medals and numeric ranks. First we create an index array from 0 to n1. Next we sort that index array using a comparator that orders indices by the score at those positions, highest first. After sorting, the first index in the array belongs to the gold medalist, the second to silver, the third to bronze, and the rest receive their one-based position as a string. We write each rank back into a result array at the original index so the output matches the input order. You'll recognize this pattern whenever you need to rank items and then map those ranks back to their original positions, think leaderboard, tournament standings, or any relative ordering problem. Time complexity is big O of n log n, linear arithmetic time due to the sort, and space complexity is big O of n for the index and result arrays. Try the next problem, same pattern. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more algorithm breakdowns.